Hello and welcome all to my YouTube channel once again. So I am at a secret place today to review one product. So this secret place is in Thane itself. Okay, so I'm going to review today is the mobile mount for bike. So today we are going to review this mobile mount. This is Rhinox Shark Smartproof mobile mount. So this we will unbox and then quickly review it. What we get in the box. So this is the mobile holder, which is a waterproof holder. This is the mount. And this is the strap, Leonard, you can say. In the box. So this is the box packaging. Okay, so I think this is the lock mechanism, so wherein you can just pull it up and twist it to lose it a bit, and then you can attach it on your bike, so like this. So why it is called a shark? Yes, this looks as a shark mount, this mouth as a shark mount. So you can attach it like this. On the bike. Yeah, this is quite sturdy. Yes, it is quite sturdy. And then we can strap this here. You will get a click sound once you attach it. Yes, so it is attached. It is quite sturdy, and you can remove it as well. And how to open this? So here, these are the clips. You need to open those clips. Just pull it up, and then this is a zip lock here, which you need to open for waterproofing. Remove this card, put in your mobile here, just press these zip locks to ensure that it is sealed, then lock this. Now it is sealed and quite sturdy. You can just keep it landscape or portrait, however you wish to use it. Okay. So I am using OnePlus 5T. For that I need to turn off the pocket mode. Then only I will be able to use this in this case. Otherwise the proximity sensor will not allow me to use this in this case. So now what we will do is we will just throw some water on it and we'll check whether the waterproofing is working or not. We will splash some water on it and we will check whether it is waterproof or not. Okay, now it's totally empty, my bottle is. Now I will just wipe it from outside. And now we'll check whether any water has gone inside. Now we will check whether water has gone inside or not. So no water at all. No water inside. Now we will ride the bike and we'll check the sturdiness of this mobile holder. So one more thing before riding, they have provided with us, this is the strap which they have provided us with the box for extra security. So what you can do is, you can just attach the strap here. Now you can just attach this strap here on the mirror. And then just pull like this, and then you can just keep it like this. So this is more secure now. The mobile holder is attached. So let us ride and check the sturdiness of the holder. It is quite sturdy. There are no shakes. I can turn this in landscape or portrait, however I want to turn it, and it is quite sturdy. It is good, and it is now ready for rainy season 2, which is coming soon in next 2 to 3 months. So how it takes the bumps? Yes, it takes the bumps very easily, and no shocks, nothing. This is available on Rhinox website and Amazon website. So I have bought it from Amazon because price is same whether you want to buy it from Rhinox or Amazon. So there is no price difference. You can buy it from any website. So the thing is, Amazon will deliver it much earlier than Rhinox. So better get it from Amazon. So thank you for watching this video, and keep watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button.